In primetime news this evening, robberies spiraling out of control in the city.
Them just come and take away things, money and all them stuff there.
The focus of a TVJ News special report. Police High Command hails Tesha Miller's conviction a major success for crime fighting. And what did a PMP cabinet decide in the 1970s about a known criminal? Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, remember the runaway dollar? Well, to some extent, it's not speeding downward anymore. The Jamaican dollar has clawed back 2 months of decline, and I'll tell you all about it in the business day.
Okay, good. Some good news there. From Andrea, we go to Spencer, who has the latest in sports. Spencer, what's happening?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, our local Triple Crown winner has a replacement rider for the Caribbean Classic in Florida on Sunday. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what are your thoughts on the proposal for telecoms firms to make automatic payment to consumers for poor service?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.